Good morning viewers. Welcome again to my channel. Today I am showing you the difference between more and less objects. In the previous video, I have shown you the differences between big and small objects, long and short objects. Hope you have all seen those videos and enjoyed them. Now I am showing you the difference between more and less objects. So let's get started with some examples. Now look at this thing. Here you can see sketch pens are placed in two groups. In this group there are more number of sketch pens, and in this group there are less number of sketch pens. So there are more sketch pens, and here there are less sketch pens. Now look at this thing. Here you can see different shapes are present. Here in this group, which is at the left hand side, many shapes are present, but in the group which is at the right hand side, here you can see only two shapes are present. So this group has more things, this group has less things. Let us take another example. Here you can see many cellotapes are present. Here in this group there are more cellotapes, and in this group there are less cellotapes. Here let me count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In this group 9 cellotapes are present, whereas in this group only 3 cellotapes are present. So this group has more cellotapes, this group has less cellotapes. Let us take one more example with spoons. Here you can see in this group there are more number of spoons, whereas in this group there are only 2 spoons. So this group has less number of spoons. Now come to my worksheet. See, this worksheet I have prepared to show you the difference between more and less objects. Here the question is given to tick the side having more number of objects. Here you can see in the first picture I have drawn some fish. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 fish, and in this group there are only 2 fish. So we can say this group has more number of objects. So I will give a tick mark here. Come to the next picture. What you can see here is that a number of balls are present. Here in this group in the left hand side there are only 3 balls, whereas in the group in the right hand side there are more number of balls. So I will give a tick mark against this group. This group has more number of balls. Next, in the third picture we can see many ice creams are present. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ice creams are present, whereas in this group only 4 ice creams are present. So we can see this group has more number of ice creams. So I am putting a tick mark against this group. Now come to the next picture. Here you can see a number of birthday caps are present. Here 6 caps are present, whereas in this group only 3 caps are present. So we can understand that this group has more number of objects. So I am putting a tick mark against this group. So viewers, in this video I am giving you the difference between the more and less number of objects. So I hope you have understood well, and you make the student practice these worksheets at home. So thank you for watching my channel. Next day I will again come with some more worksheets. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.